Hello to the world of KOSMEK. Thank you very much for your today's participation in our webinar about the pneumatic pallet gripper WVA and the possibilities of autonomous machining with the help of this pallet changer. My name is Nicola Pruller and I will guide you through today's webinar. In the next 20 minutes, you will hear and learn about the company KOSMEK. You will see how the KOSMEK pneumatic pallet changer can improve your machining processes, and you will experience the benefits of the autonomous machining possibilities based on the reference stories from our companies Hofmeister and Semage. Some organizational points up first. You will find this presentation as a downloadable video at www.kosmek.eu soon. You can ask questions directly via the Q&A box or messenger from Zoom. Depending on how much questions we get, we try to answer them at the end of the session. For any other belongings, please contact us directly at kosmek@kosmek.eu. KOSMEK is the world's leading expert in powered clamping. Due to the limitation from Japanese car manufacturers to 70 bar maximum pressure 40 years ago, KOSMEK developed one of the most innovative technologies for pneumatic and hydraulic work holding solutions like clamping, positioning, and supporting, and also for the factory automation range. Since then, KOSMEK has been the continuous market leader in Asia. 8 years ago, the increasing demand on KOSMEK patented low-pressure technology brought the company to Europe. KOSMEK is the only company in the world covering all areas of a workpiece production process. We offer solutions for casting, injection molding, and punches and presses. For example, quick mold change systems, ejector rods for changing of ejector patterns, positioning of the mold, and pre-rollers for easier loading and unloading of the die. In terms of work holding and machining, for example, we have various hydraulic pneumatic clamps, work supports, and other positioning solutions. In terms of factory automation, we have tool changes, pallet changes, and even grippers. Now, have you ever thought about that your machining center will be able to autonomously machine without any operator on the machine? What would that mean for you when a robot automatically changes workpieces on your machine depending on what you are making? Or what would it mean when a robot is able to flexibly insert the raw parts into the machine and unload the manufactured parts from the machine? Or what would it mean for you when a robot both did for you with different devices, workpieces, and low lot sizes while your employees are not in the company or are not available at the moment? I would like to bring these answers to these questions in this following webinar, because KOSMEK is able to bring these processes onto the robot itself. KOSMEK is able, because of the zero backlash technology, to guarantee a repeatability of 3 micron, as well to reduce the hydraulic usage for the upcoming process steps. Because of this reason, please let me show you in the following slides how you are able to achieve this at your machining centers as well. Here you can see an automated pallet changing system from our distributor Hofmeister. Hofmeister is specialized in the CNC design and production of special tools, fixture building, design of production lines, and also has a high-end CNC machining floor, including 5-axis machine tools. For many customers, they do machining of various parts in different lot sizes on a regular and irregular basis. In order to automate these production orders, they decided to invest in a 5-axis machine tool from Okuma. Equipped with a KOSMEK 0-point system and the Fanuc robot for 120 kilos, and also equipped with a KOSMEK SWR tool changer and VVA pallet gripper. With the KOSMEK WVA pallet gripper, the robot can automatically load and unload pallets up to a weight of 100 kilograms to the machine table and place or remove it from a storage. On the table, the pallet will be fixed and positioned with KOSMEK VS 0-point clamp system. On the table, the pallet will be fixed and positioned, and with the patented dynamic position positioning technology, and high clamping forces of up to 40 kilonewtons, this zero-point system guarantees a repeatability of 3 micron even after millions of load. Depending on the size and the weight of the tool, it can be changed to a different size of pallet gripper or each other tool of the robot. This can be done through KOSMEK SWR tool changers. This robotic hand changer is the only hand changer which is completely backlash-free on the whole world. It is even stronger, but on the same side smaller than other products on the market. All of these unique technologies combined to a highly effective automated manufacturing cell allows company Hofmeister to automate the production of many different smaller lot sizes, to drastically reduce the setup times, increase the overall product quality and precision, and let the production go on autonomously during the night or the weekend times. Now let us get some information about the use productions for this setup in the next slide. Have a look at the WVA pellet gripper in detail. The KOSMEK WVA pellet gripper is designed especially for gripping, transferring, and placing heavy fixture pellets in a machining center by a robot. In this case, the pellet has a weight of about 100 kilograms. With our pellet gripper, we can reach holding forces of up to 33 kilonewtons or 3.5 tons. It has a safety lock function so that you still at 0 bar have a holding force of another 1.9 kilonewtons. The pellet gripper can take over up to 1,322 Newton meters in bending moments and in twisting moments up to 1,800 Newton meters. The WVA pellet gripper furthermore has an integrated seating detection as well as the possibilities of an action confirmation by adding to a sensor. Once the pellet is brought to the machining table with the WVA pellet gripper, we need to clamp and position the pellet on the machine table. And to do this with a repeatability of 3 micron and at the same time a clamping force of up to 40 kilonewtons, which depends on the model, you can use the KOSMEK zero-point pellet clamp system, VS for hydraulic or WVS for pneumatic. The clamping forces vary from 2 kilonewtons up to 40 kilonewtons in the hydraulic type and from 2 to 16 kilonewtons for the pneumatic type. Also here we have a holding force at 0 bar, which goes from 0.8 kilonewtons up to 2.2 kilonewtons. The zero-point systems are totally maintenance-free and guarantees the repeatability for more than 1 million loads in total. Now, the pellet is transferred to the machining center with the pellet gripper WVA and highly precise positioned and clamped to the machine table. Now, your robot can start to load the raw workpieces to the fixture for the machining. To do that, you now need to change the tool. This you easily can do with the KOSMEK SWR robotic hand changer. This unique robotic hand changer is the only hand changer in the world with 0 backlash. It takes over higher bending and twisting moments than any other product on the market. It is smaller and stronger than standard tool changers. Its repeatability is also at 3 micron and it has a range of payload from 0.5 kilograms up to 360 kilograms at 10 bar pneumatic pressure. For automated production, it offers seating detection for a proper connection, holding force at 0 bar as a safety function, the airflow for keeping the robotic hand changer clean, and various modules for electrical and pneumatic connections to the robot. For more details, please see our webinar about KOSMEK SWR and SXR tool changers, which is going to be uploaded in the following week. Now, coming to the company Jägerspris Finmechanics in Denmark. Their task was to minimize setup times and make production much more effective by using robots in a production line. Company Semage introduced their mobile robotic unit SEMA for automated loading and unloading of workpieces in a lab. The SEMA mobile robotic unit not just can load and unload the workpieces in one lab, but due to a special interface between the lab and the mobile unit, it can be moved from one lab to another and so increase flexibility of this robot unit. The mobile unit is equipped with components as follows. The mobile unit is equipped with the KOSMEK component robotic hand changer SWR. It is for an easy and fast secure change of the grippers and tools for the robot, depending which workpiece shall be handled. Then, on a tool changer, there can be mounted various grippers and other tools. In this setup, the customer uses the unique parallel gripper WPSC with high power technology and holding force at 0 bar. The WPSC can achieve up to 131 newtons in clamping forces and up to 400 newtons in holding force at just 5 bar. Holding forces at 0 bar as a safety function from 26 newtons from the smallest and up to 53 newton for the biggest model. The repeatability of 0.01 millimeters is also given for transporting of the workpiece out of the machine. And the specialty of connecting the SEMA mobile robot unit to the left housing is the KOSMEK ball lock cylinder WKA. With this very small but effective pneumatic ball lock cylinders, you can easily fix and position the mobile robot unit to the machining center housing. When moving to another machining center, you unconnect on first center and connect it on the next. Now coming to some facts about the ball lock cylinders. It is very, very small but highly durable due to a simple designing. It is locked by the spring force to the designated space, and depending on the size of the ball lock cylinder, we have a holding force of up to 200 newtons by a weight which goes from 7 to only 41 grams. Now let us have another look at the SEMA mobile robotic unit from Semage. If you need any information about KOSMEK components or you have interest in the total SEMA mobile robot unit of company Semage, we will be glad to make the contact for you and provide you with further information. For this, please contact us at kosmek@kosmek.eu. Now, thank you very much to all of you for your time and the participation in today's webinar. It was a pleasure for me to host this webinar, and I say thank you, and I'm already looking forward into tomorrow's webinar about our quick mold change systems. Stay safe and have a nice day, everyone. I wish you the best for today.